Hi everyone, thanks for coming by the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review of Drunk Elephant, the Rise and Glow Daily Dose of Vitamins is what they call it for your face, because I have super sensitive skin. And I've looked for reviews out there of people trying this on sensitive skin and I haven't had a lot of luck. So I thought, you know what, I'll just try it and I'll let you guys know what I find out. Now I know what works for me isn't necessarily what's going to work for you, but I have really sensitive skin. I don't tend to break out. I just get red and rashy. It gets really warm. I'm very pale, so it just flushes up red. How red? I've also reviewed the Sukari Baby Facial a little while ago, and you can see how incredibly red my face gets with that. Although in the end, it's a happy story because it calmed down very quickly, and I was left with super soft, nice skin. I have absolutely used it again and will use it. So the red that I get from that is just kind of a flushing, not a, I don't break out or get hivey or anything from it. Oh, this was from Sephora. It came with both the C-Firma cream in it. Sorry guys, still adapting to the light. Seems very bright today. The C-Firma cream and the B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Cream. And unfortunately, after I got it home and read about it, I can't use licorice root. And I tend to have a bad reaction to licorice root, and it is in the C-Firma cream. So I didn't even take the cap off of it. So I've been talking about this giveaway. I'm going to slide this on over into the giveaway, and one of you guys will get the luck of trying this C-Firma cream. This was a $28 product, so in theory, about $14 a piece. So a really great way to try a product that tends to be far more expensive. So I'll tell you about the C-Firma first, since I couldn't use it. Let me slip on my glasses real quick and tell you that Drunk Elephant says that the C-Firma Day Serum, I've been calling it day cream, sorry. The C-Firma Day Serum is a vitamin C serum that brightens and firms. So that sounds like a great idea. I really wish I could use it, but I can't. So one of you will get to. Let's see if I've messed this name up. This is the B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, which is the one I've been using. And I've been using it for a solid 2 weeks. And unfortunately, you can't tell how much is in there, but every time I pump it, it's still coming out. It feels heavy still, so I'd say I've probably got at least a couple more weeks in it. So it's probably a month's worth. I only use it in the morning. I haven't been using it in the evening because I wanted to be sure it lasted so that I could give you guys a, hey, I've been using this for 2 weeks and having no issues. Of the B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, it says, a shot of vitamin B hydration that quenches dry, thirsty skin. Well, that is absolutely true. So my story is, I put this on before my moisturizer. I take a little bit and put it on the back of my hand. You can see how much you get. It's very liquidy. So when you rub it in, it goes away really quickly. It's just, it starts to absorb very quickly. So I would take one of those dots, do my forehead and my chin, and then I would do my moisturizer on my forehead and my chin. And then I would squirt another dot and I would do both cheeks, and then I would do my moisturizer on both cheeks. Because I just felt like it was going to be a good idea to keep the hydration from this in there. And I felt like when I did my whole face before I moisturized, that it just dried down too quickly, and was I really keeping all of the goodness that I could be getting out of it. So I would do that, and then like I said, it absolutely got me through to the evening. I didn't have any of the dry patches here or here that I tend to get in the winter. I'm like reverse T-zone. This is my driest area. My cheeks are fine, but this tends to get incredibly dry. I don't think I'll need it in the summer, but in the winter, I for sure need another layer of hydration, and this did it. It got rid of all of my dryness. I've stayed nice and moist into this winter, and it's been cold here. And it's just made a huge difference. So I will absolutely repurchase this product. I hate that I can't say the same thing about the C-Firma because the Drunk Elephant products that I've tried, I've loved. I just hate that I can't try this because I just know that, I mean, brightening and firming, how is that not a great thing? So that's really all. I just wanted to let you guys know that on my super sensitive skin, the B-Hydra worked fantastic. It gave me moisture, It lasted through the day. I will absolutely rebuy it. I would absolutely recommend it. I mean, it works differently on everybody, so everybody has different sensitivities, but I had great luck with it. Okay, so that is the Drunk Elephant Rise and Glow set with the C-Firma and the B-Hydra, B and C vitamins. And I would absolutely recommend the one that I could use. Unfortunately, I can't tell you about the C-Firma, and that makes me very sad. Came in this cute little container. Now, I have the night one of these that I'm going to try next, but I didn't want to have any overlap because I wanted to know if I had a reaction, which one had been the problem. And I wouldn't have known that had I done it all at the same time. But for what it's worth, the one that I'm moving on to now is called Night Bright. And it was also I think it was also $28. And it has the TLC Framboise Glycolic Night Serum and the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. So I think you're supposed to use the Framboise and the Marula oil at the same time because it calms you from the Framboise. So I think I actually have to try both of these ingredients at the same time. So we'll see how they work together and we'll see how I react, and I will get back to you. So with this set, I would absolutely recommend the B-Hydra. I hate that I can't tell you about the C-Firma, but it is what it is. Somebody out there will get to try it. And next I will move on to the Night Bright set, and we will find out about that. If you have any interest in the Sukari Baby Facial, I've already reviewed that and put it up. You can go see a human in a whole new shade of red you may have never seen. And I will get back to you with the rest of it. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these reviews. I also do a lot of unboxings. And comment below if you've tried these products and had good luck or bad luck. Let me know, especially if you've tried the night ones that I'm about to start putting on my face, if you've had any luck with those or any reactions with those. And I will see you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.